by the Israelis. Pero tsago na, ano lang natira sa mga Palestinian? Gaza, West Bank, at saka doon sa East Jerusalem. Pero other pa rin sa control ng Israeli government. So halos wala na sa 1% yung lupain ng Palestinian sa ngayon. Because it was forcibly annexed and illegally occupied by Israel Zionist government.
Maging si dating Gintulungan Mayor na dating miyembro din ng Parlamento Midpantaw Midtimbang ay nanawagan din sa Estados Unidos na maging patas.
I am also strongly sending a message to the United Nations in America that they are creating a discrimination among the Muslim people in this part of the world. Di kinabenar, Amerika dengan hindi pagpayabag na peace. As long as America is not neutral in dealing with the conflict of the problem of the Muslim, no peace can establish in this part of the world. They are biased. Yan mananang blaming Amerika, blaming United Nations sa yan mananamay kaya pumitihan ng issue na Muslim na hindi ang putambiran ng mga Yahudiya na sabay sa Israel na. Pag kami ito na niya, ipakatanong sa ganun magkatunog ang muli at tautan. Isa-asa sana tanong ganun magkatunog ang muli at tautan. Yamay kaya magandong makasugon ang gusto di kinabanal. Kaya masamayan magandong maka nasugon ang gusto di kinabanal. Nandaw ka magra, daw tanong magra. Iyasa sana ng mga Islam na luka ganun. Pagbanan na ito, kanto ay tabangan ng Allah Ta'ala. Kaya nagkakinag doon. Kaya nawasan ko na yung pagkandong maka nasugon ang gusto di kinabanal. Iya benar negara Palestina. Aklay. Yan yung kinabanal akan man Israel. Kena Jewish na. Pagkakinag kami ito. Ikinayatan ng panganian ng Amerika. Kaya ito ng panganian na sa Allah Ta'ala.
Iisang tono, iisang laman ng mensahe, iisang nais, ang maging malaya ang mga Palestino, maibigay at maibalik ang nararapat sa kanila.
Bangsamoro Action Against Injustices, Mindanao, Philippines, 16th of October 2023, Manifesto. Declaring our unwavering support to the Palestine who have continuously been suffering for many decades unbearable oppression, but far bitter, massive and painful more than ever since this past few days till now. Under the hands of arrogant terrorists, murderer, barbaric extremists, and inhuman Zionist Israelis who conceal buildings a war crime against humanity. We also strongly call the United Nations, the United States, and the Great Britain to put to end the longest and endless Zionist Israelist occupation of the Palestine since November 21, 1947, when Jewish state was established through UN Resolution 181. Restore the peace and security in the Palestine land so that the Palestinians who are innocents and original inhabitants in this occupied land can live a normal life as human beings endowed with basic rights to life, dignity and liberty like the rest of other nations in the world. And above all, uphold the fundamental human rights to be universally protected under the United Nations Declaration of Human Rights, which was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in Paris on 10 December 1948. The international humanitarian law under the four Geneva Conventions of 1949, which apply to armed conflict that restrict the use and methods of warfare, protects civilians, prohibits the inflictions of unceasing suffering, and promotes the principle of humanity and the right to self-determination provided under the International Convention of Civil and Political Rights, which, by virtue of the right, all people can live freely, determine their political status, pursue their economic, social, and cultural development. The Israeli military operations and illegal occupation of the Palestine, especially Masjid al-Aqsa, as well as the recent used missile attacks on Gaza since last week that devastated and ruined the lives of the innocent Palestinians as grave violation of human rights against humanity. The passage and entry of humanitarian interventions from the diverse nations across the globe, especially UN-based humanitarian organizations, to deliver relief goods and medical assistance to a huge number of starving and wounded civilians. Finally, to our Muslim and all peace-loving people all around the globe who firmly believe in the universality of the Muslim Ummah and humanity, we call upon you to hold all as one body and show support to our oppressed Palestinian brothers and sisters through solidarity, protest, humanitarian intervention, and by extending our prayers to their survival, peace, liberty, and freedom, as well as the preservation of Masjid al-Aqsa for the Muslims, Christians, and even for the Jews as one of the place. We, as members of the Muslim Ummah and all peace-loving people of the world, are once again undergoing a difficult testing of saving our brothers and sisters in Palestine. What is perfect?
Iisa din ang ninanais ng karamihan sa mga bansa sa buong mundo, ang magkasundo na at mamuhay ng payapa ang dalawang bansa.